Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're in the market for a new sewing machine, you know how tricky it can be to find the right one. Some models promise a lot, but under-deliver, while others quietly outperform expectations. That's why I've tested and ranked the top 5 sewing machines that truly stand out this year. Whether you're a beginner, hobbyist, or seasoned sewer, from smooth stitching and powerful motors to user-friendly controls and reliable build quality, this list covers it all. And be sure to stick around for number 1. It's a real game changer. If you find videos like this helpful, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss more no-fluff, honest gear breakdowns. Let's get started beginning with number 5. Number 5. FEIYUE FYe320. Starting off our list is the FEIYUE FYe320, a compact, user-friendly sewing machine that's ideal for beginners or anyone diving into home projects. It might not carry the brand recognition of Singer or Brother, but don't let that fool you. This machine delivers solid performance for its price and simplicity. With 32 built-in stitches, the FYe320 covers all the basics: straight, zigzag, decorative, and stretch stitches. Whether you're hemming pants, patching holes, or adding creative designs, there's a stitch for the task. The clearly labeled dial makes switching between patterns quick and frustration-free, a big plus for new users. One standout feature is the top-loading bobbin system. It's not only easy to insert and remove, but it also helps reduce jamming and lets you keep an eye on your thread level through the transparent cover. Threading the machine is straightforward too, thanks to helpful guides printed right on the frame. The FYe320 is lightweight, which makes it portable and easy to store, perfect for smaller apartments, sewing classes, or crafting on the go. Even with its compact build, it has enough power to handle light denim or canvas when used with the proper needle. The adjustable presser foot pressure adds to its versatility, adapting to different fabric thicknesses. You also get a few essential accessories right in the box: extra bobbins, multiple presser feet, and a seam ripper, everything you need to start sewing immediately. Who's it for? Beginners, teens, or casual home users who want a reliable, simple sewing machine without a steep learning curve. Bottom line, the FEIYUE FYe320 is a no-fuss machine that focuses on usability and function. With essential features packed into a compact design, it earns its spot at number 5 as a strong entry-level pick. Number 4. Brother CS7000X. At number 4, we've got the Brother CS7000X, a favorite for beginners and intermediate sewers who want a machine that's both approachable and surprisingly versatile. It's a computerized model that manages to stay simple without sacrificing useful features, making it one of the most well-rounded options for home use this year. Let's start with functionality. You get 70 built-in stitches, including decorative, utility, quilting, and heirloom patterns. More than enough for crafting, clothing repairs, or creative projects. The backlit LCD screen lets you choose stitches with a few taps, while automatic settings take care of stitch length and width adjustments. No manual guesswork, just clean, consistent results. The automatic needle threader and jam-resistant drop-in bobbin save time and eliminate 2 common sewing headaches. Plus, the transparent bobbin cover lets you keep track of your thread supply while working no more surprise runouts mid-seam. These small details really add up when you're sewing regularly. One thing that stands out is the extra-wide table attachment, giving you plenty of space for larger projects like quilting or costume making. It also comes with 10 presser feet, covering everything from buttonholes to overcasting. Zippers to blind hems, all included in the box. The sturdy metal frame gives the CS7000X a premium feel, minimizing vibration and helping with smooth, even stitching. Speed control is handled via a slider, which lets you ease into complex patterns or go full speed on long seams. Who's it for? Anyone ready to level up their sewing setup, especially beginners who want room to grow without being overwhelmed. Bottom line, the Brother CS7000X is an excellent blend of simplicity, power, and value. It's no surprise it earns the number 4 spot on this list. A machine that truly brings confidence and creativity to your sewing table. Number 3. Singer Heavy Duty 4452. At number 3, we've got the Singer Heavy Duty 4452, a mechanical beast that's built to power through thick fabrics with ease. If you're tired of flimsy machines that jam at the first sign of denim or canvas, this one's made to impress with speed, strength, and simplicity. Equipped with a 60% stronger motor, this machine sews up to 100 stitches per minute, meaning you can complete projects faster and tougher. Whether you're mending jeans, making bags, or working with upholstery fabric, the 4452 handles it with confidence. It's a go-to for heavy-duty jobs, but also surprisingly smooth on lighter materials. You get 32 built-in stitches, covering basics, stretch, decorative, and a one-step buttonhole. While not overwhelming in quantity, they're practical and cover what most sewists need for functional and creative work. Plus, the included accessories like the walking foot, non-stick foot, and heavy-duty needles make tackling tricky materials easier. The machine's stainless steel bed plate and solid metal frame keep everything stable during high-speed runs. The automatic needle threader and top drop-in bobbin speed up your workflow, reducing downtime and frustration. Everything about the 4452 is designed for efficiency and durability. Who's it for? Ideal for intermediate to advanced users who want reliable performance or small businesses producing consistent, high-volume work. Bottom line, Singer's 4450. 2 isn't flashy. It's functional, fast, and tough. If you want a no-drama machine that just gets the job done, this one earns its place on the list. Enjoying the list so far? Then hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. More real-deal gear breakdowns are coming soon. Number 2. Brother XR9550. At number 2, we have the Brother XR9550, a computerized sewing machine that's all about blending power, convenience, and creativity in one sleek package. Whether you're a beginner looking to grow or an experienced sewist who wants more flexibility, this model is built to impress without overwhelming. The XR9550 comes with a generous 165 built-in stitches, including decorative, utility, and quilting options, plus 8 styles of one-step buttonholes and 55 alphanumeric stitches for adding initials or labels to your work. It's a machine that truly grows with you, letting you explore new techniques as your skills improve. Its LCD screen and intuitive button controls make stitch selection incredibly easy. You'll also appreciate the automatic needle threader and jam-resistant drop-in bobbin system, both designed to save time and eliminate the most common frustrations. No more squinting or fumbling with threads. Space-wise, the included wide table gives you room to spread out, especially helpful for quilts or larger fabric pieces. The free arm is perfect for sleeves, cuffs, and pant legs. And with the drop feed feature, you can experiment with free motion quilting or embroidery-like effects. The machine comes bundled with a hard protective case, 8 sewing feet, and other accessories to help you get started quickly. It runs quietly, stitches smoothly, and feels solid despite being lightweight enough for easy transport. Who's it for? creative users who want a reliable sewing machine that doesn't sacrifice features for simplicity. Ideal for home projects, gifts, and versatile crafting. Bottom line, the Brother 29550 delivers smart features, quiet performance, and room to grow, which is exactly why it lands at number 2 on this list. And finally, my number 1 pick, Bernette B05 Academy. Topping this list is the Bernette B05 Academy, a mechanical sewing machine that combines industrial-grade strength with creative flexibility. If you're someone who wants a reliable, high-performance machine without the digital fuss, this is the model to beat. The B05 Academy features a powerful motor that allows for speeds of up to 1,100 stitches per minute, ideal for high-volume projects or thick materials like denim and canvas. It includes 30 essential stitches, including stretch and utility options, plus a one-step buttonhole for ease and consistency. Whether you're hemming jeans, sewing home decor, or experimenting with costume design, this machine delivers reliable, high-quality results every time. Its heavy-duty metal frame keeps vibrations low and stability high, even at top speeds. The adjustable presser foot pressure gives you total control over delicate or dense fabrics, while the slide-on extension table offers extra space for quilting or large patterns. You also get 12 presser feet included right out of the box, plus a finger guard, LED light, and manual speed limiter, all features that cater to both safety and precision. The B05 doesn't just sew, it empowers creativity. It's simple enough for confident beginners, yet tough enough for serious sewists who expect their machine to keep up with big ideas. Who's it for? Sewers who want strength, speed, and reliability with no distractions. Perfect for creatives who value control, durability, and performance in one sleek package. Bottom line, the Bernette B05 Academy is the definition of dependable. It's powerful, thoughtfully designed, and built to handle whatever you throw at it, making it my number 1 pick for the best sewing machine this year. And that wraps up my countdown of the best sewing machines you can get this year. Whether you're just starting out, upgrading your setup, or searching for a powerful, reliable workhorse, this list proves there's something for every type of user and every level of experience. From compact and beginner-friendly to full-featured and heavy-duty, these machines are built to support your creativity and productivity. So which one's your pick? Let me know in the comments. I read and reply to everyone. If this video helped you out, be sure to give it a like, hit that subscribe button, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of my upcoming reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.